In this tutorial we will cover where to find the useful Ouvvi features. When you first open Ouvvi you are greeted with the welcome screen. To the left of the screen is the main menu. This can be collapsed using the green menu button. Next to this is the search bar. And in the top right we have a shortcut to make a new project and the user currently signed in. The welcome page can be edited by clicking the Edit Page button. This can then hold whatever information you require regarding your Ouvvi system. At the very bottom of the screen you will find the version number of Ouvvi that you are running. Now, if we click into Projects and go to All, this will show us all projects stored in our system. The coloured boxes along the top of the screen show a summary of how many projects are running, how many have been successful, how many have failed, or how many have been aborted. If we click onto Triggers, we can view all the triggers stored. We can then filter these to all enabled and all disabled. If we click onto Reporting, we can see a visual overview of the projects that have run each day. Services hold the system services required to run Ouvvi, the queue table and the queue failures table. Settings hold the system settings where you can configure defaults and themes for your system. User settings store any user-defined settings for use within your configuration of projects, steps and triggers. We then have user profiles where all the users of Ouvvi are added. Then comes the connection library, project groups, dashboards, assemblies, handlers and register license, where you input your license key in order to use the software. Finally, we have the system log.